Hey everyone, Sam Battersby from Griot's Garage, and today we're going to talk about our Microfiber Plush Edgeless Towel. Like a cozy blanket, the long plush nap and edgeless design soothes your paint as you beautify it. The weave supercharges the performance of quick detailers and our spray-on or rinseless wash products. As our softest microfiber, these 16x16 470 GSM weight towels are the absolute safest, most gentle option for soft paints and delicate surfaces. Microfiber Plush Edgeless Towels are my favorite towel because they glide over emblems, moldings, and other intricate trim. The weave of the material resists snagging, so you can really focus in on the job at hand. They're also another great option for removing polish or wax residue. The borderless design of the Microfiber Plush Edgeless Towel gives you edge-to-edge absorbency and zero scratch points. A win-win when it comes to caring for your paint. Thank you for watching. For more information on the Microfiber Plush Edgeless Towel, be sure to visit griotsgarage.com, and as always, have fun in your garage.